Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Scouter Irfan of the 392nd Thornhill Muslim Scouts. Today, I'm going to take you through a short tutorial on how to register for an event as a participant in ScoutsTracker. The use of ScoutsTracker has become significantly more important during this COVID-19 era. The new Scouts Canada Pandemic Program Modification Standards require numerous control measures which are digitally manageable in ScoutsTracker. Once you log into the section-appropriate version of ScoutsTracker, we're using the Troop Scout Section 1 here, you will be presented with a screen that looks similar to this. Keep in mind that ScoutsTracker works on any device, be it a computer, tablet, or a phone, by simply navigating to scoutstracker.ca. However, it may look slightly different depending on the device. The Schedule button on the left menu is where you will find the calendar of events for the section. There is another tutorial found on our group YouTube page that will show you advanced features of the calendar should you be interested. Moving along, the next thing you need to do is click on the event you're signing up for. Let's use the Rouge River hike as an example. Once in the event page, you will find all the relevant information associated with the event here. Navigate to the Sign Up button. This will take you to another screen where you can either select yes or no depending on whether you're attending or not. If you're not attending, all you need to do is select no and click Save. We, however, plan on attending this hike, so let's click yes. After which several options show up. Let's work our way through these together. Number of guests. Some events will allow you to bring guests, as in your parents, siblings, or family members. Let's assume mom and dad are coming. We'll select 2 guests and indicate their names in the notes. This is an important step as the group needs to know exactly who is attending. The next and most important item is the parent consent form. The beauty of ScoutsTracker is that this is all done digitally without any need for physical paper. The information that shows up on this form is what the group imports directly from your child's account on myscouts.ca. It is absolutely imperative that your emergency contact information on myscouts.ca is up to date. Ensure the information in the form is accurate. If you will be absent from your normal place of residence, please indicate another person that the group can contact in the event of an emergency by filling out this information here. Alternatively, if you're planning on attending, check off the box stating, I will attend the event. If there is any medical information or dietary requirements that we should be aware about, please advise the scouter in charge by filling in the note here. Note that this is a private form between you and the scouter in charge. These 2 final checkboxes are important to understand. The first one is you attesting to having accurate emergency information on myscouts.ca. I recommend you double check the emergency information for your youth's account. The second is agreeing that you understand the potential risks involved with this activity and agree to the protocols as set out by Scouts Canada and the group. One of these protocols is a Scouts Canada self-assessment screening checklist, which you as a guardian are responsible for completing with your children and all other participants before they attend the event. Once you've completed the form, hit the Submit button, which will take you back to the last page. You'll notice that the option for the parent consent form has disappeared, meaning that this has been submitted. Click Save, and you're all done. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 392scouts@gmail.com or visit the scoutstracker.ca support page.